Hey there, welcome back to the channel. Did you know that over 70% of people are magnesium deficient? And there are superfoods packed with this essential mineral that you probably haven't even heard of? Crazy, right? All right, let's dive in. So, many people struggle with magnesium deficiency, which can lead to a whole bunch of health issues like fatigue, anxiety, and even muscle cramps. It's crucial to find alternative sources of this vital nutrient because our diets sometimes just don't cut it. With busy lifestyles, it's easy to overlook foods that can provide the nutrients we need. But the good news? There are tons of delicious and nutritious superfoods out there just waiting to be added to your meals. Let's make sure you're not one of those folks missing out on magnesium. Now, let's explore each of the 16 superfoods that can up your magnesium game. First on our list is spinach. Yep, that leafy green everyone loves to hate. Just 1 cup of cooked spinach packs about 157 milligrams of magnesium. Next, we have pumpkin seeds. Just a handful can give you around 150 milligrams. They're perfect for snacking or tossing into salads. Then we have quinoa, which is not only a great source of protein but also delivers about 118 milligrams of magnesium per cooked cup. It's super versatile too. Moving on, we can't forget about black beans. They offer around 60 milligrams per cup and can be added to just about anything. And let's not skip over almonds. A small serving provides about 76 milligrams of magnesium, plus they're great for your heart. Did I mention avocados? They're not just trendy. 1 medium avocado has about 58 milligrams. Next up is dark chocolate. Yes, you heard that right. It's not only delicious but also provides around 64 milligrams of magnesium per ounce. Then there's Swiss chard, which is another leafy green with about 150 milligrams per cooked cup. Don't underestimate the power of coconut water either. 1 cup has about 60 milligrams. Seeds like chia and flax seeds are also fantastic options, giving you around 95 milligrams and 40 milligrams per ounce respectively. And don't forget about yogurt, particularly Greek yogurt, which is not only creamy but also has about 20 to 30 milligrams per cup. And let's not overlook bananas. They're super convenient, and 1 medium banana has about 32 milligrams of magnesium. Lastly, we have the underrated artichoke, which offers about 60 milligrams when cooked. So, as you can see, there are so many tasty ways to incorporate these superfoods into your diet to boost your magnesium intake. Now, here comes the fun part. As we reveal the most unexpected superfood on the list, you'll be amazed at how easily you can enhance your magnesium intake without even trying. Drumroll, please. The superfood that might just surprise you is dark leafy greens like kale. Not only is it trendy, but it's also a powerhouse of nutrients, including magnesium. So next time you're whipping up a smoothie or salad, throw in some kale and reap the benefits. To recap, you've learned about 16 incredible superfoods that can help you boost your magnesium levels and improve your overall health. From spinach to dark chocolate, there are so many delicious options out there. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more insightful health tips and recipes. Your support means the world to us, and we can't wait to see you in the next video.